for you all. Okay student, as we have done the reading of this lesson, that is lesson number 11, the plants world. Now we are going to do the exercises today. ठीक है, for the exercises you have to open page number 60. You will write down the date, that is 24/9/2020. Okay, things you know, चीज़ें जो हमें पता है. Choose the correct answer from the option given. Here options are given to you. You have to choose the correct answer. Banyan is an example of a dash. Shrub, tree, climber, herb. Yes, that is tree. So you will write down TREE, tree. Number 2, fruits come from dash. Flowers, seeds, leaves, roots. Yes, fruits comes from flowers. Now come to page number 61. Again write down the date, that is 24/9/2020. Now example of creepers are dash and dash. You know that creepers are the plants which grow along the ground, जो ground में बढ़ते हैं, जिनका fruit बहुत बड़ा होता है. तो you have to tell the example of creepers. Pumpkin or bean? No. Bean and pea? No. Watermelon? Bougainvillea? No. Pumpkin and watermelon? Yes, because bougainvillea is a type of flower plant. Okay, ये एक फूल का पेड़ होता है. So it's not a creeper. So example of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. So you will write down pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, this one. Now question number B, strike out the odd word. अब इसमें से आपको जो गलत है वो बताना है. Odd. Plants need these to grow. Soil, air, water, sugar, shakar? No. Sugar means chini? No, this is odd, wrong. These are some trees. Mango, banyan, rose, coconut. Rose is not a tree, it is shrub. So you will circle rose. We get these from plants. Flower, cup, seeds, fruit. So cup is odd. Okay, so we will circle it. Write yes or no. Herbs are taller than trees? No. Herbs are small plants. So you will write no. Grapevine is a climber? Yes. So you will write yes. Birds makes nest on trees? Yes. Okay, now question number D, answer in 1 or 2 words. What are short and bushy plants called? They are called shrubs. SHRUBS, shrubs. Where do most plants grow? Soil. Write SOIL, soil. What kind of a plant is mint? Mint is a herb plant. It's a small plant with weak stem. Okay. Now you will leave question number E. We will do this part in the copy. Okay. Now come to the next page, that is page number 62. On page number 62, this is your homework. You will write down SW. Okay, you will write down the date here, 29/20, that is 24/9/2020. This is your homework. What you have to do, ड्रॉ एरो टू मैच द पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट टू देयर नेम्स. आपको मैचिंग करनी है इनके नेम से इनके पार्ट्स को. ओके, देन यू हैव टू मेक इन दिस एक्टिविटी व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मेक द लीफी ट्री. आपको एक ट्री जिसमें बहुत सारी लीव्स होती हैं, आपको वो बनाना है. हाउ यू विल मेक इट, यू कैन रीड द ऑल द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम हियर. फर्स्ट यू विल कलेक्ट सम फ्रेश फॉलन लीव. कुछ आप गिरी हुई, सूखी हुई या हरी पत्तियाँ जो गिर जाती हैं उन्हें कलेक्ट करेंगे. देन यू विल कट the trunk and you will cut the trunk on a white sheet. मतलब एक पेड़ की ऐसे trunk बना लेंगे और आप white sheet पे cut कर लेंगे. then you will color the trunk. okay, and you will paste on the drawing sheet. आप एक drawing sheet पे paste कर लेंगे. then you can color it with brown color. after that you will paste all your fallen leaves, collected fallen leaves on that tree. आप उस tree पे paste कर देंगे, उसकी branches ऐसे बना के. and if you are not able to make the trunk, you can use your hands also. आप इस तरीके से hand से भी trunk बना सकते हैं and you can paste the leaves like this. Okay, this activity you will do. This is your homework. You will click the photo and send it on the class group. Okay, you have to do page number 62 and 63 as your homework. Okay, thank you.